I am back after a long hiatus. Tonight we're doing a family favorite. It's penne with broccoli. This is a South Italian style dish. It's a pantry special. You'll have all the ingredients you need on hand with the possible exception of the broccoli. You'll have it out on the table in under 30 minutes and your table is going to love it. As for the ingredients, there are not many of them. They are easy to acquire and they are cheap. The star of the show is the broccoli. This is from the cabbage family, takes on flavor incredibly well and is very healthy. I've got 12 ounces of pasta, that's enough for 3 people. I won't go through all the ingredients. You can see the exact measurements and ingredients in the description to this video. I will direct your attention to the anchovy. The anchovy brings the umami, and when you bring the umami, you bring the flavor. Okay, you can see we're chopping this into sort of bite-sized florets. Here's about the maximum size of one of the florets. And I like to keep the stem of the broccoli as you get close to the top of the broccoli crown and the florets. You can chop these little interesting shapes off of the stem. And what you'll do is when you add the garlic to saute, you add the broccoli stem, these little pieces at the same time. First step is we're gonna salt our water. We're gonna let our broccoli cook and just soften up just for a little less than 60 seconds, call it 55 seconds. Okay, it's been a minute. So we're taking this broccoli out. It's going right into an ice bath. That will arrest the cooking. Check out the green tint to the water. That means the vitamins and minerals from the broccoli has made its way into this water, which we're now gonna use to cook the pasta. In goes our pasta. Shortly after the pasta goes in, just give it a stir so it doesn't stick. The directions on the box say 11 to 12 minutes, which means I'm probably gonna let this go for about 9 to 10 minutes, so it is pre-al dente. Right before it becomes al dente, pre-al dente, and it'll finish cooking with the broccoli in the sauce. Okay, we got our saute pan. It's about 4 large tablespoons of olive oil. In goes the garlic and those little broccoli stems, and in goes our anchovy. Remember, you can see the exact measurements in the description to this video. I use 5 pieces of anchovy, but I really love that the depth and that umami magnificence that you get with the anchovy. You really don't need to mince your anchovy. It's just gonna completely break down as it sautés with the garlic and broccoli. Okay. You wanna start to season your garlic. Those anchovies have a lot of salt, so don't go crazy on the salt. Add in your chili pepper flakes. And throw in that broccoli. That's really freaking good. Okay, give that broccoli a little seasoning. Okay, that pasta should be ready to go in. Okay, I've checked the pasta broccoli for seasoning. Tastes great. So off heat, I've turned the heat off. We're gonna start adding some of the Parmesan cheese, which I've grated. It's probably about half a cup, maybe a little bit more. We're gonna give it a little more of that pasta water. This pasta water is very starchy. It helps the whole thing emulsify. Yeah, it looks perfect. Let's give it a taste. Delish. Last step before we plate it, we're gonna give it a little fresh squeezed lemon juice. That's really gonna wake it up. Really brighten the flavor. I think you could use just a little bit more lemon juice. Not gonna completely juice that second half. And this is ready to serve. Nothing could be easier than plating this dish. Give it just a little bit of pepper, doesn't need much. Thank you very much for watching. Penne with broccoli, a family favorite. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and to subscribe to this channel. That's the best way you can support this channel. And if you really want to support this channel, go ahead and buy one of our Miracle on a Plate coffee mugs. You can see the picture here. The link is in the description to this video. Thank you very much for watching. Good luck in the kitchen. Bon appetit. Right on the mark. When you bring the umami, you brought something.